What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I have a review on this hair. This hair has been a huge hit on all my social medias. Everybody keep asking, girl, where you got your hair from? Where you got your hair from? Well, I'm here to tell y'all I have had this hair before, and it was lovely then, and it's even more lovely now because now I know how to lay my wigs, like for show. This hair is from Yolissa Hair Company. This is a 36 or 34 inch. I don't know. I might put it on the screen or it'll be in the description box below. But it's super duper long. And it's water wave. Let me show y'all. Let me stop. But yeah, it's super duper long. It comes really low on me. The lace is great. The hair is great. You know what I'm saying? It's not much I can say. Like I said, I've had this hair before, so my review is very thorough. I've had it, I love it, and I will go to this texture time and time again. Excuse my talking, y'all know the situation, but all I put on this hair is water, mousse, oil, and maybe some type of curl cream. It doesn't really matter what type of curl cream. Maybe a curl cream that you put in your natural hair, you can put in it. Now, don't waste the good expensive products on it, but don't, you know, put too much cheap products in it because it'll definitely show. But I just wore this hair as a middle part, and I just did really super duper extra baby hairs, like swoops. I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm just gonna do an install video on this hair. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn on your bell for post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. If you're returning, welcome back. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with a ball cap. This is my full ball cap method. I'm going to start off with a nude cap. Any nude cap. I prefer the brand that is called like Dream. I feel like they're thinner. It's another brand, but Dream is way thinner. So then you're going to go in with your Got To Be gel spray. Well, it's not gel, but it's just got to be spray. And you're just going to spray it all over your skin. And this is going to help the cap to stick to your skin on your forehead, and this is what you're in turn gonna lay the wig onto. So I'm just blow drying that because you do want to wait on it to dry. So once it's dry, you're just gonna go in with your choice of makeup. I did decide to go with a powder. I prefer to put a powder on my cap because I feel like it doesn't create that much residue on the skin, if that makes sense. It's harder to get up liquid than it is to get powder. So once that's dry, I always try to put my makeup on before I cut, because when you put it on after, I feel that sometimes my cap starts to move. So yeah, that's just what y'all see me doing. The cap is fully dry and I have the makeup on, so I'm going ahead and cutting that cap off. You cut your cap, you do want to go in with some alcohol just to clean off the line so there's no makeup or extra left residue from Got To Be or anything else. So here I am trying on the wig. I do you know, pluck and everything else on my wig head, but I never try to wig on until after. And this hair was so long, so big, and so volumated. I don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna make it one. But here I'm just cutting off my ear tabs. This is all based on your head and your shape of where you have your wig cap. I like to cut it off, you know what I'm saying? This is just to measure your head, because most wigs come in standard size and everybody's head maybe it's not this wide. So whether your head is bigger or smaller, you're gonna have to cut some or not cut some at all. But that's just what y'all see me doing, and it will go into the lace a little bit, but that's normal because some people be scared to cut the lace and some hair gonna come out, but that's really normal. So I'm just looking at the wig, trying to see if it's gonna fit how I want it to fit. And so I'm gonna go in and cut the lace into 3 sections. My thing is, y'all, if it's such a lace shortage, why they put so much lace, excess lace on there, y'all? Like, that's just too much. It be covering my eyes. But anyway, here I am going in with my Ghost Blonde XL glue, and I'm just applying it to the layer around the wig cap and the ball cap and all that different stuff. And I'm just basically just applying it, and I'm going to smooth it out with a popsicle stick. And this is going to help it to dry faster and just lay and not be as thick. Your goal is to get it thin, but you do want a wide band because it's going to hold longer and it's going to hold more sections of the actual frontal. So that's just what y'all see me doing, spreading this out. And the more layers you do, the more hold you will have. I think I did like 2 or 3 layers, but you do want to blow dry it until it's clear, and that's when you're going to apply your lace into the actual glue. And I hope y'all seen, I tried to zoom it in a little bit. You want to put the lace, the edge of the hair, directly into the furthest part of the glue, if that makes sense. And I know my glue wasn't fully dry. I was really being lazy, y'all, and it was like it was taking forever to dry, so I went ahead and put it in. But in the end, you can really tell because I left it alone after that. But don't be like me, wait till it turns fully clear, because if it turns white, you might have that white cast, or it'll just be messy. Sometimes it doesn't stick, all kind of different stuff. So that's what I'm doing, and blow drying it and making sure that it's in between hot and cold. And yeah, I'm just blow drying and making sure that it's melted. So once you feel that your lace is dry and ready to be cut, you can go in and cut. Some wigs I use a straight razor, some wigs I use scissors. It just depends on how the lace is and how I applied it. So I decided to go for scissors. When you're doing this, look at what I'm doing. I'm going in a zigzag type of motion. I'm not cutting straight down. This is going to help to give it a more natural look. So yeah, I'm just cutting my lace and making sure that all of it is going. So here I'm gonna go ahead and part off my baby hairs. I didn't do anything extra. I didn't do the elastic band or anything like that, but my wig was pretty much down, so I didn't have to. I did want to do extra baby hairs this time. I wanted like super duper swoops everywhere, so that's what I did do. The only thing, y'all, if y'all know any, like, I just really want to learn how to do soft baby hairs, like with foam. For some reason it never works out for me. My lace always comes up, so I never get it. My baby hairs be super duper harsh, but I love soft baby hairs and I want to learn how to do them so bad. But yeah, like I said, I want to do extra edges because I love extra edges with curly wigs. I just think it looks so cute. And I'm sorry if I'm talking weird, because my mouth hurts really bad. They just put some in my mouth the other day at the orthodontist, and I keep biting my tongue, and it's like a shock every time I do it, and it hurts so bad. So excuse me, I'm trying to avoid myself from doing that. But yeah, when I'm doing my baby hairs, I like to pluck a little bit of hair out because I don't want them to be so thick to the point where they look fake, but I don't want them to be too thin either. So I'm just plucking a little bit of hair out, and then I'm gonna go with my straight razor, and then I'm gonna curl them because that is what helps them fall into place. I'm gonna curl them. I finally bought a little small flat iron, and then you're gonna swoop them. So these wasn't swooping quite how I wanted them to swoop at first, initially. And y'all, a hairstylist that did my hair one time, she told me that a good thing to use is a spoolie, y'all, and it changes my life. Like, if you don't do your edges with a spoolie, do it, and I promise you're gonna see a difference. So that's what I'm doing. Doing this hair with a spoolie, but like I said, it was on swooping how I wanted to swoop, so I decided to swoop my hair around the front, and that did help a little bit. But yeah, baby hairs, really, I wouldn't say that baby hairs is something that someone could teach you, because if you don't do baby hairs on your natural hair, then you're not gonna know how to do them definitely on a wig. What I would say is definitely get some practice and watch. It's all about your swoops. It's really the same concept as if you're swooping on your natural hair. The only thing, you're trying not to get your lace to come up. So that's the only thing I could say. I use Got To Be gel, and it works pretty good for me. My lace doesn't really rise, but anything else I'm not sure because I never used it. But yeah, that's just what y'all see me doing, swooping them edges, getting them laid. But it's not really much to explain. You just cut, pluck, curl, and swoop. What I will say is curling definitely helps you to swoop it better. So if I could recommend anything to you, I would say definitely curl your edges before you swoop them, because that will help you out a lot. And also blow dry as you go. Blow drying is gonna make it stay in place and not move around as you're working. I finished the first side, I did the second side. Then I was trying to figure out style ideas, because I do get tired of wearing my hair the same exact way. Middle part, side part, so freaking boring. So I was really trying to think of a way to do my hair that's different, but I just was getting irritated. So yeah, that's what y'all see me doing, trying to figure out something new. But it just wasn't working out, so I was really like finna flip out. But I just decided to wear it in the middle part for the most part. And then as time goes on with wigs, as they get older a little bit, I like to flip them over to the side or just do something different with them. So that's what y'all gonna see at the end, in the intro and the outro. But if y'all watch my Instagram or anything like that, that's the best way to keep up with like wigs and hair and how I'm wearing them and all that different stuff. So yeah, that's just what y'all see me doing, trying to style it, but I just was not feeling any style that I did. So after going all through these ugly styles, this is what I came up with. It was super pretty, edges was slayed, and I just loved it. Like, this hair is so bomb. I cannot wait to put this wig back on.
Okay, you guys, so yeah, this is the end of the video. I really love this hair. Like I said, all the links will be in the description box below. This is like the perfect vacation hair, the perfect birthday hair. I don't know, you can wear this hair anytime. I just think it's so cute and so long, and it's really super soft. So I think it's a win-win. This wig will give you a lot of like longevity, and like the lace is really good as well. So yeah, shop with Yolissa hair. All the links will be in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video.